Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to add a birthday to a contact on your iPhone so you'll never forget an important birthday again. Let's get started. First, open the Phone app on your iPhone. Tap the Contacts tab at the bottom, then select the contact you want to add a birthday to. Next, tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the Add Birthday option, then tap on it. Now, use the date picker to select the month, day, and year of the person's birthday. Once you've entered the correct date, tap Done in the top right corner to save the changes. That's it. The birthday is now saved in that contact. Your iPhone can also remind you when it's their birthday, so you won't miss it every year. And that's it. That's how you add a birthday to a contact on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot,